Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn shortcut trick for multiplication of numbers near to 100. Okay, this trick will be applicable for all, but it will be very useful for those numbers which are almost near to 100. Okay, so let's start. Say we are taking example 70. Wait. 75 into 98. Okay, so here 75 into 98 we have to multiply. So our first steps will be step 1. In step 1 we have to subtract the 70. That means we have to subtract from 100. That means 75 is equal to how much we have to subtract from 100 to get 75. So 25 we have to subtract. Okay, same way 98 we have to take and we have to subtract from 100. That means 2 we have to subtract. Okay, now in step 2, now in next step what we have to do, now this 2 we have to subtract from 75. Okay, either we have to subtract this 2 from 75 or we have to subtract this 25 from 98. Okay, so 75 minus 2, then we will get 73, or you can subtract 98 1 minus 25, then also we will get 78. Okay, in step 2, in both cases we will get the same answer. Sorry, here I have written 78, it will be 73. Okay, so in both cases we will get the same answer. So you can do any one case you can do. Okay, now in next step, step 3. In step 3 what we have to do, now see, in step whatever value we got in step 1, that means after subtracting from 100, okay, that means 25 and 2, these two number we have to multiply. Okay, 25 into 2, then we will get 50. Next step, in step 4, in step 4 we will get the final answer. Okay, now in step 4 what we have to do, in step 4 the value which one we got in step 2, that means 73, this 73 we will write. Okay, and then next in step 3 whatever value we got, that means 50, then 50 we will write here. So this is our final answer. Okay, you can check yourself. Okay, I hope you understood this trick. So let's take another example. Now again we are taking another example. Suppose 80 into 89. Okay, so same steps will be followed here. So 80 in step 1, first of all we have to take 80 is equal to 100 minus 20 we have to do. Okay, that means from 100 to 20 we have to subtract to get 80. Okay, same way 89 is equal to 100 minus 11. Now in step 2, what do we have to do? In step 2 we have to subtract this 11 from 80. Then we will get how much? 69. Or we can subtract 89 minus 20. Then also we will get the same value, 69. Okay. Now in step 3, what we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers. Okay. So 20 into 11, then how much we will get? 220. Okay. In step 4, we will get the final answer. Now you see, in step 3 we got 3-digit number, isn't it? But in previous example we got 2-digit number. So from this 3-digit number we have to take only last 2 digit as a last 2 digit of final answer. ठीक है, फाइनल आंसर में हम लोगों को क्या लेना है? लास्ट 2 डिजिट लेना है. So now we are taking this 20 as a last 2 digit number, and before this 20 what we have to write? This value, whatever we got in step 2. Okay. Now here 69 is there, but from this number, from this step 3, whatever left, this 2 left, so this 2 we have to add with this 69, then we will get how much? 71. Okay, so this is our final answer. I hope you understood. Now let us take another example which are greater than 100. Say we are taking 125 into 102. Okay, in this case same steps will be followed, but little bit differences are there. Now in 125, that means with 100 we have to plus 25, then we will get 125. Same way 102 is equal to 100 plus 2. If we do, then we will get 102. This is step 1. Okay. Now in step 2, what we have to do is 125 we have to add with this 2. Okay, so 125 will be added up with 2. Then how much we'll get? 127. Or we can do 102, this 102 plus 25. Then also we'll get 127. Okay. Now in step 3, same process will be followed. 25 into 2 we have to multiply. Then we will get 50. Now in our final step, step 4. Now you see, in step 3 whatever we got, that means here we got 50, 2 digit we got. So from this 2 digit we have to take 2 digit as a last 2 digit of final answer, and from step 2 this number whatever we got in step 2, this value we have to take. Okay, so 127. So this is our final answer. You can check yourself. Now let's take another example. Now we are taking 106 into 130. Okay, in step 1 what we have to do, 106 means what, 100 plus 6, and 130 means 100 plus 30. Okay, now step 2 what we have to do, with 106 we have to add this 30, 106 plus 30, then we will get 136, or you can do 130, this 130 plus this 6, then also we'll get 136. Okay, now in step 3 what you have to do, this two number we have to multiply, 6 into 30, that means the values which we added up with 100, this value we have to multiply, that means 6 into 30, then we will get 180. Now in step 4, in the final step, in this step 3, now in final step we will get the final answer. So what we have to do, in step 3 whatever value we got, now you see here 3 digit we got, from this 3 digit we have to take only last 2 digit, that means 80 we have to take. Okay, so 80 we have written. Now what we have to do, now from step 2 this value we have to take. Okay, 136. Okay, now you see here 3 digit number was there, from 3 digit we took 2 digit, so one number left, one will be added up with 36, so we will get what, 137. After adding with 136 we will get 137. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope you learned something from this video. In next video you will learn multiplication of two numbers where one number will be less than 100 and another number will be greater than 100. Okay, so this trick we will learn in our next video. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, then please give a like and subscribe the channel for more such content.